Hello my people, I'm back, and if you see me here, then you know that I'm bringing a new car for a review. Hope you are all doing well. Yes, so today I got to show you what I have. So today I have the car you've never heard before. It's a Korean car. It's called SSANGYONG Tivoli. Yes, well, I hope I got it right. SSANGYONG Tivoli Ultimate T. The T stands for turbo. It's a 1.5 turbo car, so SUV. So let's go around it. Let's go. Yeah. So guys, yes, as I said, this is the SSANGYONG Tivoli Ultimate Turbo Auto. Yes, it's a small SUV from Korea. from all that I can say, this vehicle handles very well compared to its competitors like the MG ZS and the Nissan Qashqai and all those, and the Nissan Duke. Yeah, all those cheap mini SUVs. Compared to those ones, this one handles really well, very well. I'm even surprised. Yeah, because I've been driving this for almost 180 miles, and wow, this thing grips very well, handles very well. Yes, that's all that I can say. Even though it has a cheap interior quality, but as I expected that, because it's a cheap SUV, a small SUV. So yeah, it's not something extraordinary that I would be surprised, but it's okay. Yeah, from the look of things, it handles very well. That's the main goal. And as I said, this is a 1.5 liter petrol. This comes with a 1.5 liter petrol engine, and as I said, this is the top of the range. That's why it's called the Tivoli Ultimate Turbo Auto. It comes with a 6-speed automatic gearbox, and this car produces 161 horsepower for a 1.5 engine. To come up with that power is amazing. Yeah, it's not bad for a little SUV like this. Yeah, and what I've realized is it has navigation system, and all the gauges are digital, but the only downside of this car is the infotainment system. The screen doesn't respond properly. Yes, it comes with heated seat as well, but all in all, it drives very well. That's the most important thing. But if you want a luxurious car, it comes with leather seats, but yeah, it holds you well. But as you know, it's not a luxurious car, so you should know. But even though, for the SSANGYONG brand, this is the top of the range version of the Tivolis. Yes, because that's why it's called the Ultimate. Yes. So all in all, drives very well, shifts it very well, shift gears very well, and cruise very well as well. Yeah, 161 horsepower with a 1.5 petrol engine, and yeah, a lot of space in here as well. Compared to the MG, this one really handles very well. Yeah, compared to the MG ZS, this handles very well. So those taxi drivers who normally buy the MG ZS, please switch, or you can check out the SSANGYONG Tivoli Ultimate Turbo as well. It has the top of the range version, has an automatic gearbox with 6-speed. Yes, so yeah, try this, maybe it will help. Yeah, from what I've seen, it drives very well, handles very well, very comfortable for a cheap SUV. Yes, all that you need. Yeah, heated seats, navigation system, air conditioning. What else do you need? And it's cheap as well. You can get a brand new one for about 18, or a used one, very less a year one for about 14,000, which is very good. Yeah, or less. So check it out. Check the SSANGYONG Tivoli. I know most of you guys haven't heard of the name before, but the SSANGYONG brand is a Korean brand. Yes, and it's far better than the Chinese cars. The Korean cars are far better than Chinese cars. So those of you who are buying the MGs, the MGs are now made by the Chinese. It's not made by the British anymore. So guys, try and check out the SSANGYONG Tivoli. Yes, this is the Korean car that you can buy as well. So guys, from all this, I would give this SSANGYONG Tivoli a 7 out of a 10. It handles very well, and for a cheap SUV, I'm very impressed. So guys, see you on my next video. Bye bye. Stay safe. Yeah, stay safe. This is the Tivoli. Bye bye.